trying this new Din Tai Fung hack. Hey Jarelskis! May na-discover na naman tayong bagong Din Tai Fung hack. Pero bago ang lahat, mag-exam muna tayo. Mag-order muna tayo. So una muna, order ka muna ng pork chop fried rice. Then any of their wontons with their house special spicy sauce. I got the mushroom wontons, mas mura kasi yun. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang order ng xiaolong bao with that soy sauce, vinegar, and ginger dip wherein you put your xiaolong bao on the spoon, poke it, sip the soup, dip it on the sauce that you made, at dapat mapapaso ka for that perfect experience. Anyway, hindi to kasama sa hack, pero ito na nga yung hack. And so get some portion from the pork chop fried rice. Then from the wontons that you order, get a portion of which as well. Ang pinaka-importante is their house special spicy sauce, which you need to add on the fried rice. Promise, ang sarap nito. Mas lalo niya na-elevate yung flavors ng pork chop and fried rice with a little spicy kick from the spicy sauce. Try nyo na rin to guys. Or baka meron pa kayong Din Tai Fung hack dyan, share nyo na yan. Cheers!